Futures J, 1K, Rich Off Contracts. Back at it again, giving you guys another video update on how my trading went last week and how I plan for it to go this week. I know it's been a week or two since I dropped the video, so got a lot to update you guys on. First update being I blew all of my Funded Next accounts. I had 3 Funded Next accounts that I bought after receiving the $2,700 payout from Alpha. The third payout that I requested, they ultimately voided that one and sent it back. So they were like, yeah, we had a discrepancy with your balance, so go ahead and request another payout with the correct amount. But at that point, it wasn't even over $1,500, so I wouldn't have gotten $1,500 a max payout. So I traded a little bit more and ended up blowing that account for the Alpha accounts, not the Funded Next. Funded Next, I blew all 3 of those off, but the Alpha accounts, I blew one of those off, have the other 2, and with the payout money, I bought some more Top Step 50K evaluations. So I bought 5 of those, trying to get max allocated. I traded them Friday of last week. I made $500 or so. I traded earlier during Asia session, the week open of around 6-7 p.m. That's when I took a trade because of all the Iran hostilities, because Iran closed the Strait of Hormuz again because of the tensions that's been going on and Trump calling the ceasefire off. So with him calling that off, you obviously know there's going to be some animosity. NQ gold, it's going to make everything drop. Everything's going to crash. People are going to drop bombs. So you know how that goes. So with that, I usually don't trade Asia session, but you know, these are evals, so I have a little bit of leniency with them. So I'm just trying to get them passed. As long as I can get them passed and then go into the live stage, the express stage of these accounts, the way we can make some real money, then I'll start following my rules to the T and making sure I'm disciplined and don't break anything and just follow my emotions. But with that being said, I did take a trade and hit 1,500 on all 5 of these accounts earlier, like not even an hour ago. So let me show you guys the trade that I took and the trade that I'm in currently. So as you guys can see, this trade that I'm in right now, this is just a practice trade on the practice account that I have. But if we go over to my challenge accounts, you can see currently up 1,500 on all of them. 1,500, 1,500, 1,500. Wait, why are these? That must just be a glitch. I think that's a glitch. Let me see. Yeah, it's just a glitch. Okay, I was about to say. But just explaining the trade that I took, this was the one right here. So on the week open, what I saw, we had this week opening gap right here. It gapped up, started open right here, and then we got a big drop down candle that dropped us all the way into my 5-minute area of interest right here at 4,098. And once I seen this, we started getting some accumulation. We got some buys up that ultimately got pushed down, and we created wicks and just continue to push down with a strong bearish candlestick. So once this next candle came out, gave us a push up and a continuation. I took my entries right here, stops above this high, targeted my max position, which was 1,500 for profit, and it went straight into my TP and hit for 1,500. So like I said, I usually don't trade during Asia session, especially an hour into open. So that's not a good rule for you to follow, but it worked out because I had, you know, the news on my side. I do trade fundamental analysis as well, fundamental and technical. I use both. And if you don't use fundamental analysis, then you really should, because it's a key part of trading and you need to know these things. So when you get in the market, you don't just get hit by a random Drake candle and hit stop loss and lose money. And then you're wondering like, well, why did this happen? So it's definitely something you need to have. But yeah, we're up 2K on all these accounts. So to get these passed, I just need $1,000 more. And I'm confident that we can do that in the next session at Asia, because we can't trade New York since we've already made our profit for the day. So we're going to come back and try to get those profits. But as far as the other accounts, I'm going to get some more Alpha accounts. I'm debating on it because Alpha, they've denied me a payout already. They've had so many issues with the platform, stop loss, TPs, copy trading issues, and 90% of the time they haven't even done anything about it. So I'm debating about whether I should even go back to alpha at all or not. I might get some more accounts with Lucid, because Lucid is also it's like a Top Step alternative. I wouldn't say it's better or worse, but it's definitely a very good prop firm. So I'm going to be getting some more accounts with them soon. And once I get these Top Step accounts passed, I'll have 5 Top Step accounts, 5 Lucid accounts. And once I get some more Funded Next accounts, I'll have 3 of those. So that'll be 13 accounts total. And we're just going to keep getting payouts and keep scaling. So that's going to be the thing I'm working on this week, is getting all of these accounts passed and go ahead and getting that first payout. That way we can get some more accounts. As far as my psychology, my discipline, feels like I've been doing pretty good. I have broken my rules a good bit, which caused me to blow the accounts that I had previously. So I can't say I've been perfect with my discipline and my strategy, following my plan. But every day we get better, 1% better every day, and try to focus on following our rules and making sure that our risk management is up to par, our discipline is in check, and we control our emotions and just follow the plan. You know, what I like to do, and this can probably help you guys too as well, if you know you're having trouble following your strategy or following your rules and things like that, get you some sticky notes. Get you some sticky notes and write down your plan and put it on your monitor so you know what it is, so you know what you're doing every day. You're looking at it, it's right in front of your eyes every session. Every time you get on the computer to trade, you can see it right there in your face. Oh, only take 2 trades. Only trade during this time. Only stop once you've hit 400 profit. Only stop once you've hit 400 max daily loss. Like, it's right there in your eyes. So if you look at that and you're trading and you see it and just refuse to do it, then that's a discipline issue that you need to work on. I had some up, but I'm going to go ahead and rewrite mine because I moved my setup around. I got a new monitor and just moved some stuff, so I had to get rid of it. So we're going to go ahead and rewrite our plan down, our rules and our strategy that we're going to be following going into this week, and we'll go from there. The first thing that I'm going to write down is that I can only take 3 trades max. So we're going to go ahead and write that. 3 trades max. And you want to make sure it's big too, so you can see it. 3 trades max. Only take 3. So I'm going to take this off, put it over here, so it's right in front of me. So now we're going to take another one, and we're going to write the next rule to our daily checklist. So I can only take 3 trades max, and my max loss limit is going to be $400. So I can only lose $400 max. That's risking $200 per trade, risking 1 to 3s. So risking $200 to make $600 or more, and nothing more, nothing less. So max loss limit. So max loss should only be $400. If it's any more than this, I didn't follow my rules. So you guys should implement this as well. Only have a set max loss limit for each day. That way you don't blow yourself up in any given day. So I'll put this over here. The next thing I'm going to write, as far as my rules and my plan, is to only use 5 contracts max. That way I don't over leverage. Stops over trading. So max contracts should only be 5. So if I'm trading with any more than 5 contracts at any given time, then I'm over risking. I'm over leveraging. I shouldn't be doing it. My emotions are probably going to go way out the window, which is going to cause me to take more than 3 trades, to lose more than 400, and just a chain that keeps going on and on and on until you blow all your accounts and lose all your money. So this is the force field, the shield that keeps us in the game to be able to make the money that we need to make. Put it in front of you so you can see it every day, every session. And our practice trade is about to hit. Our paper trade, as y'all can see, it's literally right there. About to hit TP. Will it hit TP in front of us? Oh wait, it's like right here. Because look, it literally bounced off of my 5-minute area of interest twice. I took the trade right here, boom, came down, literally bounced off of this area of interest perfectly like I have set up, rejected, came back up, retested this 5-minute area of interest again, got sellers, bearish momentum in this zone, got bearish engulfing candlesticks, which I took another entry right here and TP in the same exact area, and it's making the same exact reaction. See, trading is not hard. You just have to understand price action and what it does on a day-to-day basis. Once you get enough market experience, you will understand how this moves every day on a day-to-day basis. The reason people fail is because they don't have the emotions, the discipline to handle and take trades every day, do the same thing, don't mess anything up. But it's not easy.
Why you tell on the gang, boy, you dead now? All these bands don't fuck up the money count. Slide on her up with a honey badger on some over the hoes like a fucking ladder. I don't care about that hoe, she gon' get me tatted. Way too picky with hoes, you can't hit my standard. I might tell that bitch she is the one, but really she do not matter. Whoa. Yeah, whoa. Might bag your bitch in the lamb truck.
If you guys took anything, learned anything from this video, then please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want to find more content, you can check my Instagram out at FuturesJ1K on Instagram. I post as much as possible on there. And if you want to have a community or you want to learn from someone, you want to trade how I trade, you want some one-on-ones, you want to see some live trading, then join the Discord. I'll put that in the link down below in the comments. You can go ahead and click that, join, just contact me. You know, we can get you right and you can learn. We could all learn together, get better, promote, make money. So yeah, man, like the video, sub to your boy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.